Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F-150 guys. We're talking about that generation right there from year 2009 to year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find guys where the fuse for the Parktronic is located, also known as Park 8 module or PAM module. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, and why you should always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So what we're going to demonstrate here guys, it will be on a 2012 Ford F-150. If you have one of those or even a different year but that generation, video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes on your F-150. One is right under the hood. When you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator, you will have a fuse box here. But we don't need this one today. We need to work on the one that's inside your F-150, in the passenger side, under the dash, under the glove box, by that kick panel right here in the corner. You remove the cover, you open it, and you will see a fuse box that looks just like that. We took a picture, we zoomed it, so we can show you everything with a great detail. But let's first explain why you should always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So for the Parktronic you will need to come in 1, 2, 3, that third row of fuses right here, and you're going to come under that relay guys. You need to find fuse number 34, which will be 1, 2, that second fuse, that 10M fuse right here. 4B will be for the Parktronic or Park 8 module guys. You need to check that fuse right here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.